Hi everybody, this is Steve from Scale Model Kit Review. I just thought I'd give you guys a September update. A lot of exciting things up and coming here in September. Number one, I'm not traveling for work, so I'm home. I'm going to be able to get a lot of stuff done. There's a lot of model kit reviews I want to do for you all. Some are new kits and some are old kits. Now it's just refreshing to see a clear video in 1080p with an old kit, and you get to see the parts and the decals and the kit instructions and so forth. So, you know, I like to do mine my own way, so, you know, that's what I do here at SMKR. Anyway, we are getting ready to do some fantastic things here. I really don't want to come out with them yet, so I'll announce those as they come. Anyway, I'm sure you guys all saw here later on this year, Bandai is coming out with the Lord Vader with Anakin, the head done up as a model kit. So I'm pretty excited for that, and I've already got that one pre-ordered. So look for more Bandai Star Wars kit reviews from me. There's a bunch I still haven't done yet and put out there. I want to get them all out there for you, so the complete set of Bandai Star Wars kits will be available on my channel here real soon. If you haven't done so already, check out my channel too, because I'm the only channel out there, scale modeling channel, that has the Revell Records complete collection. Now there's a couple more I still haven't produced yet, but back in this 1969, the late 60s, Revell offered these free records with the purchase of a kit. You just sent, all you do is pay for the postage, and I have every one of those audio. I have them all produced and on video for you to enjoy, and it's all free. If you haven't done so already, check out my YouTube channel, SMKR Scale Model Kit Review. I want to have a big giveaway when I hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm going to do a big giveaway, and I'm going to give away some kits, folks. Folks, I have lots of kits to give away. I'm actually running out of room here. I like to collect models, but I like to build too. I'm going to be building just, you know, real quick here. But anyway, another thing that I'm going to be coming out, starting out this month, is German tanks series. I have a British tank series that I need to add some more reviews, some model kit reviews to, and I have a brand new one. It's the German tank series. Okay, if you look right here, this is what it kind of looks like here. I'm not sure if I'm going to change it up a little bit there, the intro for the German tanks, but the first one that I'm going to start off with is the old Tamiya kit, the Panther kit. Now this kit that I'm going to do a review on, I've had it in my stash and out in my garage for over 20 years. Okay, so, and it's in fantastic shape still. But I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a review of that. Hey, it's the first time I'm trying this with a selfie stick, so look, it might seem a little bit shaky. You know, I apologize for that with the selfie stick. Maybe I can set it down on something. How's that? Okay. So, going along with the German tank series, I hope to produce as many videos as possible of the German tanks, whether it's World War I, World War II, and the modern era of German tanks. And that goes along with the British tank series too. And then lastly, I will produce an American tank series too. Okay, so see that up and coming. I have a lot of kits that I haven't even finished that are on my shelf of shame, I like to call it, are all the kits I've started and haven't finished. So I'm looking at trying to get those finished this month also. So you're going to see a lot of reviews and a lot of updates coming out from me. One of the things that you guys have probably noticed is I've put a lot of museum tours on my channel, and these are museums that I visited recently. The most recent was the museum out in San Francisco, the Hornet, the newer CV-12 Hornet, and that was a fun little tour. You know, I expected more, but I didn't get to see it. And I just came back from San Diego, and believe me, I wanted to tour the Midway. I did not get a chance to go there. It just did not work out for me this time. I plan on giving you guys a complete series from the Pima Air Museum, which is about 20 miles south of me. And I'm going to start filming out there just as soon as the temperature starts cooling down some. It's a little bit, you know, in the upper 90s here, and it's kind of tough to film out at the Pima right now. But I plan on giving you guys some views of the Pima Air Museum and the aircraft there, doing walk-arounds, specialty walk-arounds from the Pima.
My web search turns something up for Sierra Watch used about 20 miles south of me and start filling out there just as soon as the temperature starts cooling down some it's a little bit. Have a look.
Okay, I don't know what's going on there, but I need to turn off my whatever it is on my iPhone there, so I apologize for that one. That really surprised me there. But I also have published 15 videos from the IPMS Nationals, and I have lots more. That I tried to keep the videos down to 10 minutes each, so there's well over 2 hours worth of looking at the model kits and at the vendor's room. I didn't get much inside the vendor's room. I concentrated my times, my 2 days, 2 solid straight days of filming the model kits during the show, and I've lots more. I haven't even put out the aircraft builds yet, and I haven't even put out the figures and the miniatures, and there's a lot of dioramas I still haven't even put out yet. So I'm up to 15, so you got, if you haven't watched them yet, go there and check them all out. But anyway, that's pretty much all I can think of right now. If you guys don't follow me on Twitter yet, I am on Twitter. There's 2 places that I'm on Twitter. You can find me. I'm on there twice, and I'm also on Instagram, so as myself, Steve Sutton. So if you want to friend me on Instagram, there I am. Let's see. Just trying to get caught up around here. I was gone in San Diego for 2.5 weeks, and it's just taken a while to get caught up, not only just with the scale modeling community, but around the house. I still got a lot of work to do around the house and all that. So, but I'm getting there. The reviews are going to be coming, so be prepared for that. And if you would subscribe to my channel, once again, I'm going to have a giveaway when I reach 10,000 subscribers. When I get real close to that, I'm going to tell you how you can enter it as a subscriber to my channel and to my Facebook pages. I have numerous Facebook pages out there. I'm going to make another video up and give you guys an intro to all my Facebook pages that I run, and some new, like I said, new and exciting things coming up. If you haven't done so already, please check out my videos from MMP Books. They're my newest sponsor. They're the newest folks that send me samples out there for you guys to see their books. They're fantastic. So give them a shout out when you see the videos on my channel. The other one is Andreas Miniatures. They have some fantastic miniatures, and if you get a chance, check out their website and support them. They have some fantastic miniatures, just some great stuff there. And like I said, I'm always looking for other sponsors out there. If you're interested, just send me a message and we'll get you on my channel. I'm trying to build subscribership as much as possible. The modeling that I do here is for you guys. I don't monetize my channel. I don't make any money on my channel. I try not to, when you open it up, all you see is advertising. I don't like that. If there's any advertising, it's because I might have used some copyright music on that particular video, but I try to avoid that as much as possible. That's pretty much it for me. If you guys have any suggestion for my YouTube channel or this Facebook group, let me know. Please, spread the word. This group has not quite reached 1,000 members yet, and I'd like to build that up too. And post your builds on this group. It's not just for model kit reviews, it's for your builds. So share your work, show the other folks within the group what you can do. I support numerous other groups out there. You probably see me post on other groups, and I try to participate as much as possible with the other groups. You know, it's just not exclusive just to scale model kit reviews. So anyway, also I'm giving a shout out to Mike Benolkin from cybermodeler.com. Check out Mike's website. He's been out there for a long time. He's been in the industry. He knows what's going on when it comes to the scale modeling industry. And Mike's a good guy, so check out his website and all his reviews that he has. I hope he continues on with it and it flourishes for him. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. And if you haven't done so already, go build something. Remember, Scale Model Kit Review is for you. Have a good day, everybody.